onwards. Meghalaya government has informed that direct discharge of sewage into the river and construction of faulty septic tanks will attract a hefty penalty of 500 rupees per day if the respective owner fails to fix the problem within 10 days. This was informed by Chief Secretary D.P. Walang while speaking on the sidelines of the meeting on rejuvenation and restoration of the major rivers of Shillong, namely Wa Umkra, Wa Umshirpi and Wa Umken at Yojna Bhavan on Friday.
We have imposed hefty penalty. In fact, anyone discharging directly into the rivers and anyone having faulty septic tanks and defective septic tanks, if they don't repair in 10 days time, fine will be imposed at the rate of 500 rupees per day. Not one time, 500 rupees per day till they seal the septic tank or they ensure that the discharge is not made directly into the water bodies.
With an aim to extend